Today I have got such exciting news to share with all of you, so let's go ahead and get started. Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and right now it is really late at night on the night of February 27th. Early tomorrow morning we're going to the airport, so I'm doing a video tonight because I have to share this wonderful news with you because Gordon and I are so excited. We get to sail on the beautiful Sun Princess from March 14th until March 19th. We're going to go from Athens to Rome and experience everything that beautiful ship has to offer. So I wanted to share with you the itinerary, some things that I'm really looking forward to, and a little bit more to tell you about. I want to start off though letting you know that at about 12:30 a.m. Eastern time, just a little bit ago here, we noticed that the Sun Princess left Pier 25 there in Rome, the port there of Civitavecchia, and she has moved over to the cruise terminal, so she is ready to go first thing February 28th. Today, as you're watching this, she is indeed going to sail with her first batch of guests on board, and boy am I excited to hear all about that. So let me tell you, I'm going to tell you our itinerary. I'm going to tell you what I am looking forward to seeing right off on the ship and everything. I have a lot on my mind. We had lists made when we thought we were going on the inaugural on February 8th, so we're getting those back out again so that we can be ready. So first of all, like I said, we are going to embark in Athens, and then that is on, let's see, Thursday the 14th. The 15th we're going to be in Kuşadası, Turkey from 8 in the morning until 6 in the evening. And the next day we're going to be in Santorini. Interestingly enough, that is March 16th. And if you have been following me here along, the cable car system there in Santorini had to be closed through February 28th or 29th for maintenance and repairs and everything, but then they had to extend it. They weren't quite done, and so it got closed through March 15th. And so here we are on the 16th. So it'll be fun to see if we get to go. The ships that haven't been able to go there to Santorini have been calling in the port of Hania in Crete. And so if we don't get to go to Santorini, maybe we'll get to go to Crete. And so I am so excited about that. And then we've got a sea day. Then the next day we are in Naples from 7 in the morning until 7 p.m. And then the next day we disembark in Rome. So I am so excited. Gordon and I are going to stay an extra couple of days in Rome, do some more sightseeing, see all of our favorite places again, and go see some places that we have not visited before. That's something I recommend doing if you go somewhere. It's always nice to go see your favorite places again, but every time we try to go see more places that we haven't seen before, so we keep a running list of places we want to go. Now, a few things I wanted to tell you what I am most excited to see right when I get on board the ship. And as I tell you these things, I want you all to be thinking of what you would really like to see on the ship. Put it in the comments, and I'm going to take notes to make sure that we track down whatever information you want. Make sure that we video everything that you want to see so that you can have a chance to take a look. Alrighty. So this is kind of a fun thing that I'm going to do. But when we were on the Island Princess in July, I got my hair done by Marvin on board the Island Princess, and he is really, really, really good at what he does, and he's a very nice person as well. He's from South Africa, amazing individual actually. And so then when we were on again in October, I got to see him again and had my hair done again. And so I am going to go find him on board the Sun Princess, because you know what? He is the top of the game. When they are choosing people to start up things for a new ship, they choose the cream of the crop. And he actually, for his next contract, had requested another ship, but they picked him to get to go set everything up for the spa and the salon there on board the Sun Princess. So I'm going to go find Marvin, and it'll be fun to see him again and get my hair done. The other thing that I am really excited about is to take a look at all the dining options. I know that we've got so many new specialty dining options that were not available on the other ships, so that's going to be so much fun. We've got that 3-level main dining room now on the Horizon dining room, which is going to be fun to see. And we've got that really interesting setup. They'll have the signature dining room, the reserve dining room, all this world-class shopping that I told you about in my video today. So much really exciting things to see, as well as like the top deck and that new Park 19 area. So much to see. So I am just really excited to experience. I am really excited to see the Princess crew. I am sure they are just going to be busting their buttons, and so excited to finally have guests on board. And I'm just really excited to experience it all, feel what it feels like to be there. And I'm also really excited to see what the future of Princess looks like. And I know that it's not the future of Princess in like leaving something behind, but I feel like they're bringing more to it. When you think of all the cruise lines as they introduce their latest and greatest cruise ships, that's what we've always done throughout history. It's the next thing, the next thing, the next thing. But I love that we can hold on to who we are. So we've got the smaller ships, we'll have the Royal class ships, and now we will have the Sphere class. But I like to think that the things that we all really enjoy about sailing on Princess so much won't go away. There will be some differences. The piazza is going to look a little different. It looks like we've seen pictures and video of that. But at the same time, I'm really hoping that it is the same special space that we have all looked forward to whenever we go on a Princess cruise. It's just going to be fun to see how they combine all the elements of what Princess is and what they want it to be in the future, and bring that all together. So I will let you know what it's like, and I hope that you will pack your bags and come with me via my videos. We'll take you around with us as well when we're done. We've got some kind of fun things that we thought of when we realized that the cruise ends on Tuesday the 19th. I think we're going to stay through that next Sunday. So lots to tell you about, and I'll keep you up to date as we hear more about our plans and get everything firmed up that we want to do while we're there. We've already bought our plane tickets. We're going to fly in on the 13th to be able to get on the ship on the 14th, I think is what we're going to do. And well, that's the tickets that we've bought. We're right up against when I'll get home from our sweet little grandson arriving in this world, and so it's really such a happy time. Thanks for sharing my excitement with me. I will keep you up to date as we hear more about our plans and everything, and like I said, we will take you along with us. And by the way, let me tell you, so from Athens at 6 p.m. local time there, Gordon will post on our Facebook page what time the Sailaways will be, but absolutely we are going to do Sailaways to show you. So it's 6 p.m. there in Athens. From Kusadasi, Turkey, it will be 6 p.m. Same for Santorini, Greece, and then Naples, it will be 7 p.m. So we're going to have some really fun sailaways. I can imagine that when we're up on the top deck there are going to be really fun sailaway activities, especially sailing out of Athens, because clearly we're not the only people getting on the ship in Athens. There will already be people who are on that March 9th sailing who are on for the whole 10 days, but there will be people coming and going on the 14th. So I'm just excited. I think it's going to be an awful lot of fun. And yeah, I'm really excited, and I am tickled pink and so very grateful for the opportunity to do this. This is a really big deal, and we're really thrilled. It's a big deal to us. I don't know that it's a big deal to anybody else, but it is a big deal to Gordon and I to get to go and see that ship. Yes. Like I said, don't forget to put in the comments the things that you are most excited to see about the Sun Princess, and I will see you all here again tomorrow, and I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.